thousands of Grey Brahman cattle graze the vibrant green meadow, their glossy coats catching the golden hour light beside the tranquil river. The massive herd of Grey Brahman cattle must navigate the treacherous, rocky riverbed, a vital journey across this spectacular landscape.
Easy now, straight ahead to the grass. Watch the gate, make sure it's clear.
How are the new supplements working out? Intake looks good, they seem calm and healthy.
Eye is clear, horn growth looks strong.
Good. Record body condition score as a 6.
Hoof looks solid, ready for transport.
The flow rate seems consistent across all units. Yes, and the sensor readings are optimal. Temperature is 38.5. Recorded. Hoof health is good.
Each horn undergoes meticulous inspection, checking for grain, thickness, and color variation under these bright lights.
Thickness is within tolerance. Grain consistency looks good on this one.
Approved for luxury manufacturing.
Look at the honey tones in this one. It's exquisite. The grain is absolutely flawless.
I'm tracing the inner curve here. The digital readout ensures we have the exact measurements for these ergonomic designs.
The horn handles are meticulously aligned, secured with premium brass fittings. This reinforced saddle